So, in a metallurgical process, first step was the concentration of the ore. Now, second step will go towards the metallurgical process, towards the metallurgical operation, that conversion of concentrated ore into metal oxide. Because it is easier to obtain metal from their oxide form rather than carbonate or sulfate or sulfide form. It is easier to obtain metal from oxide form rather than carbonate or sulfide ore. That's why if the ore is of the carbonate ore or sulfide ore, then first of all, this carbonate or sulfide ore has to convert into their oxide form, followed by calcination and roasting process. My dear students, please keep in mind what I said, that it is easier to obtain metal from the oxide form rather than from carbonate or sulfide ore. That's why before we go for reduction, carbonate ore or sulfide ore has to convert into their oxide form, followed by calcination and roasting process. Now, what is a calcination process? Calcination process is a process in which carbonate ore is strongly heated in a limited supply of oxygen, or in some of the book it gives in absence of oxygen, below its melting point. Below its melting point. What is a calcination? It is a process in which carbonate ore is strongly heated in a limited supply of oxygen or in absence of oxygen below its melting point, so that carbonate ore is converted into their oxide form. Like the ZnCO3 is strongly heated, it converts into zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. So now, objective of calcination process. What are the objective of calcination process? First, in this process, carbonate ore is converted into their oxide form. Second, it removes the volatile impurities present in an ore. Third, it removes the moisture. These are the objective of calcination. What I said? First objective of calcination is to convert the carbonate ore into their oxide form. Second, it removes the volatile impurities. Third, it removes the moisture. Now, next step is the roasting. What is the roasting? It is a process in which sulfide ore is heated in a sufficient supply of oxygen. Roasting is a process in which sulfide ore is heated in a sufficient supply of oxygen.